Hey, what's up guys, today I'll be showing you my mains and goals for Cologne Open 2018. So the first event is 2x2. I will be using the Kung Fu Yu-Hun 2x2 and I don't really practice it, so my main would be to get a sub 7 average and a sub 6 single. The next event is Pira. My main is the Moyu Magnetic Pyraminx, and my goal would be to get a sub 20 average and a sub 15 single. The next event is Scube. For Scube I'll be using the Moyu Magnetic skill, and my goal would be to get a sub 17 average and a sub 15 single. The next event is OH. My main is the Moyu Weilong GTS 2M. My goal is to get a 1 minute average and a sub 50 single. And for 3x3, as you all may know, I'll be using the Ganner SM, and my goal is to get a sub 19 average and a sub 17 single. So those are my mains and goals for Cologne Open. I hope you liked the video, and I'll see you next time.